We are in lab 5.11.6 and this is spoof MAC address with SMAC. So as an IT administrator, you need to know how security breaches are caused. You know that SMAC is used for MAC spoofing, so you are going to spoof your MAC address. So in this lab, your task is to complete the following. On Office 2, use ipconfig/all and find the IP addresses and MAC addresses. And using SMAC, spoof the MAC address on IT admin to match that of Office 2. So let's just start up this lab. Now, in case if you find this video to be too fast for you, I apologize for that. You can always pause the video occasionally and walk at your own pace. All right, so we are inside the lab. Let's start up right away. We'll go to search. Let's see, what am I searching? Let's go to Windows PowerShell. So we open Windows PowerShell, and then let me maximize this so that you see what I'm doing clearly. All right, so what I'm going to type in here is ipconfig/all and press enter. And then the physical address, let's see, this is the physical address right here. And these are the details, the network details. So let's go to floor 1 overview, and floor 1 we go to IT admin. So in IT admin we just search for SMAC. So let's open SMAC. Then we're going to run this as administrator, and so we're going to impute these details we copied earlier from PowerShell in Office 2. So it's going to be 0000555544 and 15. Okay, so let's update MAC. All right, so adapter restart. Okay, to complete. Okay. So let me just move this aside and perform the next task. So for here, I'm going to go into PowerShell, and then I'll click on PowerShell here, and let me maximize this so that you see what I'm doing clearly. All right, so I'm going to type in ipconfig/renew and press enter. /renew and enter. Then I'm going to let's see, I'm going to type in ipconfig/all ALL and press enter. So let's see, that will give us the other informations we need. So let's scroll down. Scroll down, let's see. Okay, so let's go ahead and score lab. In case you find this video to be helpful, remember to share so that others can benefit. Also, like and subscribe to the channel. Comment your question below if you have any. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video.